Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to do a quick update on Coin, and that Crypto.com exchange is halting the development of the U.S. crypto exchange. I also want to talk about the overall crypto market and give you my opinion on where I think we're headed here. Guys, we were at 9,930 subscribers. When we reached 10,000 subscribers, we were giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. Subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now we are seriously coming to the downside, but this is, I've been predicting this for the past few months that we were going to come down to 25,000. We are touching that, and we are definitely getting pushed there by the overall FUD going on in the market, with the SEC suing Coinbase and Binance, Robinhood delisting Solana, Matic, Cardano. Very, very big deal. You know, I do think that I've been seeing talks of people saying that they think that Coinbase is going to delist those altcoins next as well. I don't necessarily think that that is going to happen, because I do think that Robinhood is much more pressured to remove these coins, because they have a massive business with trading equities already on their platform. And sure, I'm sure they make money off of trading the crypto altcoins on their platform, but they don't want to risk their entire business crumbling down. On the other hand, Coinbase's entire business is trading Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. That being said, if Coinbase were to delist these coins, I think they would be shooting themselves in the foot, metaphorically, because, well, they're going to be fighting legal action against the SEC. You know, the more the SEC and the U.S. government goes after these cryptocurrency companies and projects, the more of them will be able to band together and pool legal funds, and I think there's a very, very good chance that they will come out on top. I already do think they're going to come out on top. I mean, XRP is still fighting this lawsuit, and I mean, sure, we always hear that this lawsuit's almost done, but the fact that they are still going at it and they haven't come to an agreement or settlement, that goes to show that they have something. They have something to prove, and they have something to show. They have evidence that they will succeed. That's just my 2 cents on that. But let's talk about Coin, because, guys, Coin's price action, we did capitulate below the previous low, and we are at 0.0518 cents. We wicked down to, but right now we are trading at 0.0542 cents, just barely underneath the previous low. You know, I've been predicting this. I thought that this was going to be happening a little bit further down the line, maybe in late July or early August, but it's happened much sooner than I expected. The volume was drying up significantly, and all it took was a big, I don't really want to necessarily a black swan event, but it kind of is. You know, when this emerging market is happening and it's developing in real time, it moves at 1,000,000 miles per hour, and there are lots of black swan events when it comes to regulation, and this is regulation by enforcement, and I don't think it's going to really play out as we would like to see, and as the SEC would like to see, I should say, because I don't think that they can do it. I don't think that that the U.S. is going to ban all of these coins, because, well, it's just going to go offshore. The entire world is not based on the United States. It's a big power of the world, but it's not nearly as big of a power of the world as it used to be. And let's just say, guys, right here, back to the Coin price action right here, I do think that what I was predicting is that we were going to be doing like this. The volume was going to dry up. Then in July, if we were at about $25,000 Bitcoin, capitulate down and kind of have a V-shaped recovery. I'm very curious to see how this plays out right now. I do think, I mean, look at this wick. That was bought up relatively quickly. I'm going to have to see how this next daily candle plays out. However, I will say that I do think that this is looking more and more so like it's going to be recovered pretty quickly. But that being said, there's definitely a lot of uncertainty in the market, and this uncertainty is probably going to be tied directly to these SEC hearings with these large crypto firms, exchanges, and companies and projects, whatever you want to call them, in that basket. But we're going to have to pay very, very close attention to see how this plays out. I'm very curious to see what the next daily candle looks like. We'll have to talk about that tomorrow when that forms. But over on Bitcoin, guys, we are doing something similar. I mean, we did come down. This is really the altcoin reckoning, as some crypto influencers would like to call it, and that continues on. I mean, you know, that there is a part of each cycle where Bitcoin outperforms all the altcoins. And when you look over here, Bitcoin dominance, guys, 47.72%. That's pretty incredible. Pretty incredible. It is absorbing most of the liquidity in the market right now, which is honestly healthy. I like to see that. I do like to see that. I want to see that happen more and more. I want to get to about a 50% Bitcoin dominance level before I'm prepared to see a larger move to the upside here. And honestly, I think we're probably going to be trading down to the side for the next 6 or so months, guys. I'm prepared for that. But I know, I will say my trading range here is 19,500 to low 40,000s. But as of right now, I think it's going to get a little bit boring. And I think we're going to capitulate down a little bit more. I do think that 21,000 is on the table, 21,600 to be exact. But we're going to have to pay very, very close attention. Now we're kind of consolidating in that $25,000 range. We have to zoom in to see this. But we did wick down, and we are trading in this. We're going to have to see how this weekly candle forms out, but it does seem that this weekly candle will form below this $26,300 level inside this range of 26,000 and 25,000. I do think that that's going to be kind of our new trading range, and I still believe that if we spend a lot of time there, we'll probably capitulate down, especially on the higher term time frames. It's looking more and more bearish, so we're going to have to keep a very close eye on that, guys. You know, Crocoin halts. Crypto.com halts their U.S. development of their U.S. exchange. Very interesting, guys. You know, this is not good for the U.S. This is not good for the U.S. There's lots of talk about how they're just getting ready for CBDCs, and this is their route that they're taking for the central bank digital currencies. We're going to have to see how that plays out, but I don't necessarily think this is the appropriate route of doing that. I think that CBDCs will probably be rejected heavy-handedly, but you know, time will tell, guys. Time will tell. But if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, please check out below this video. We have awesome referral links, lots of free money. You can also become a member on the channel. You click the join button. You get access to our private Discord, where we have more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, as well as trade signals, NFT alpha, NFT whitelist spot giveaways. And on top of that, you get these awesome custom emojis and loyalty badges that you can use during our live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Guys, that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. Can't wait to give away that Bitcoin. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.